How to remove your profile picture on TikTok. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 simple ways to remove your profile picture on TikTok. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone. It doesn't really matter which device you're using because the steps are exactly the same. Once TikTok is open, go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap on Edit Profile option on the right side of the screen. From here, tap on Change Photo. You'll see options like Take a Photo, Upload from Gallery, or View Photo, but TikTok doesn't actually give a direct Remove option. For the first method, tap on Take a Photo. Place your phone on a table or point it at a dark surface, like a black wall or desk, and take a completely black photo. Once you save it, this black image will replace your current profile picture, which basically removes your visible photo. Now let me show you an even better method. Exit the TikTok app and open your web browser. In the search bar, type Default Profile Picture. You'll see several simple gray or blank style profile images. Choose one that looks like a default avatar and download it to your phone. After downloading it, open TikTok again, go back to your profile, then change photo. Now, upload that default profile image from your gallery. Once it's set, your profile will look like it doesn't have a profile picture at all, and your old one will be completely gone. That's it. Those are the 2 easiest ways to remove your TikTok profile picture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.